So people ask, why do I support Palestine? I'll tell you why. Let's take an example. A thief came to my house with a knife and says, get out of here. What the? So I would say, this is my house, I can't leave. Then he tied me up and started hitting me. And he hits my parents, grandparents, and my kids. So what should I do? So while they are looking away, I untie the rope and punch his face to protect myself. Then the people next to us say, why? Why are you hitting him? Violence is bad. Do you agree with that? And people say again, now the time passed. So this is the thief's house. It's not your home anymore. Do you really agree with that? Look at the truth. The owner of the house is Palestine, not others. It's not the thief's house. Free Palestine.